Hey folks, Rich here at RCINFORMER. Today I have first flight out on E-flite's F-4 Phantom, 80mm EDF jet, really nice, assembles with only 9 screws, retractable gear. It was probably the fastest thing to put together I've seen. If you guys want to check out more information on this thing, I do have an unboxing I did, and I think actually it is the assembly together because it was such an easy assembly. Look in the upper right hand corner or at the end of the video, upper right hand corner, there's a little circle with an eye. That if you click on that even right now, it'll drop down a menu and you'll see the other videos in the series of this if you want more information on it for sure. So this has got to be the easiest thing I've ever put together. So if you guys really want to have something fast out of the box that apparently flies great, I haven't flown it yet, so we'll kind of see what it does. With AS3X, really nice retractable landing gear, this is kind of the way to go. Let's do a quick landing gear cycle here, Steve, make sure everything's working good. Linkages are all on there. I've already tested and checked everything off camera, so we're good. The only question mark I have on this thing is I don't know what the elevator to flat mixing in, so I put something in there based on what I'm usually used to Phantoms doing. So we'll kind of see what this stuff does. There's your landing lights. That's pretty sharp. And you've got some wingtip lights on this thing. But the fit and finish was awesome. So again, be sure to check out that unbox video, folks, just up in the upper right hand corner. And if you guys want one of these, our links are below. Check it out. And let's get out of here, Steve. Let's fire this up. And let's see what we can see here. Set up everything just the way the book. Taxing out. We'll use a little bit of flap for takeoff. It is AS3X, so I'll have the stabilizer working. Right, left, up, down. I got full rate at 100%. I got ailerons at 70, low rate for see how it goes. Here we go. There's 2 planes in the air, one to my right, one out in front of me. And here we go. Taking off! Ready, Steve? Yep. Well, that went right up there. I just put the flaps up, put the gear up. Nice and smooth. A little bit of right trim, maybe a little bit of down trim. Power's back to about 1/4 now. Let's go by fast, Steve, see what it does. Nice. Needs a little bit of down trim. Really nice. Back. Tell you, it flies great. Very nice flying model. Let's bring it by full power again. I'm gonna go to a low elevator rate. I still need some down trim. I think my CG on this is about 170. The book says like 180 to 190. I thought it would be a little more stable because I've flown Phantoms. Man, this flies nice. I've flown Phantoms with aft CGs and it's not fun. So here, come by fast again. Ah, much better. Better with the low elevator rate, that's for sure. Makes it a little smoother. Nice, nice, nice. I think the wind's died down to almost nothing here, Steve. Yep. This is good. All right, let's get some flaps in. I dropped 1 setting of flaps. I dropped another. Nose didn't do anything crazy on me, so maybe my elevator mix is good. Let's try and come by sort of slow. Not bad, not bad. Powered up. Flaps coming up. Let's come by fast. One more time, Steve, then we're gonna do some landings and see if my elevator to flat mixing is set up right. Power's coming in. Man, that is locked in, baby. Got a great feel to it. All right, I'm gonna go to high elevator rate for landing. Let's drop the gear, get some flaps in, and we'll see how my trim is working. I think for my elevator to flat mixing, if I'm not mistaken, I think I used 10% for 1 flap setting. Landing! And I think I used 15% for full flaps, which is what I have in there now. That seems to be about right. That's not bad at all. Let's see. I think I guessed right, Steve. Wow, that's nice. Very nice, folks. Very, very impressive. Flies nice, very easy out of the box. Definitely a winner, folks. You guys want an easy, kind of just right out of the box airplane that you can get together with 9 screws and go fly it. This is your bird. Flew really nice with the AS3X for sure. I'm starting to be a big fan of the AS3X system for sure. It just makes life easier. Let me disarm, get my throttle cut there, and let me show Steve on the screen here. I didn't know exactly how to set this up, but it seemed to work nice because I used one of my other Phantoms to draw off of. But if you go to the flap system menu, I set up everything. You'll see, can you see that okay, Steve?
Yep.
Everything is just like the manual. But the difference is I added 10% for position 1, 15% elevator flap mixing for position 2. So if you want to look at the flaps where they're at, I was landing with right here, full flaps, of course, or 0 flaps is nothing. One setting of flaps, that was 10% elevator to flap, and one more setting, or one full flaps all the way down, is 15%. That seemed to work pretty good. It looked like it was set up nice. As I play with it a little more, maybe I'll adjust that, but at least now you guys got a sort of a raw baseline elevator to flap mix setting. And let me unplug this. Let's show you the battery. And you can see the setup here. Steve, I'll put this sideways so everybody can see. Real clean configuration. I showed this in the unbox video. There's my one antenna, my other antenna's here, and then my batteries in there. You can see real clean setup. Gear control board, I think, is right here, a nose gear light or something. Let's get the battery out. Let's take a look at what our usage was on it. Let me pull this out of here. And I had this all the way forward. Again, I'm using a CG of about 170, and it was very, very stable there. Let me see if I can pry this out of here. Let's get this, let's see if I can undo the strap here. It's very tight fit in here, but I mean, there's a good amount of space. Apparently you can fly this on a 7,000 pack as well. So, and we'll get one of those in here and do it here for you, one of these shortly here. Let's pull this out and see what kind of flight time we have. Let me put the tail into the grass there, and let's see what we got here. All right, let's plug this baby in. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, that's a 52% left. You could fly this thing all day. Holy smokes. Yeah, 3.86. I could have gone a lot farther. Yep. What do you think I flew for? 3 minutes or something? I mean, so shoot, I'd probably go 4.5, 5 at 52%. So again, that was the 5050C smart battery. But hey folks, this is a winner. This thing is awesome. That was just the first flight, and there was no drama or anything with this thing. So if you guys want one of these, check below. Our links are in the description. If you guys do get one, it supports our channel. We do appreciate that. And again, the sister video for this thing and the other flight videos, upper right hand corner, that little white circle, you click on that, it'll bring down all the other videos, and of course you can find them on RCINFORMER as well. So anyway, Steve, thanks for filming. Appreciate you guys watching RCINFORMER, and as always, we'll see you next time.